Gorgeous humans. I just finished a help desk here, which is one of the weekly classes we do for our Clever Bunch members, where we look at their marketing individually. And one of the people that came today, one of the business owners, had a great question, and I want to share this with you because I think this is super helpful. So what she's doing is she has her first anniversary of her business coming up. She's an amazing business owner, runs a fashion business, and she's doing a really great campaign. And the campaign is to celebrate her first birthday, business birthday, is to do a special sale. Now, a lot of you are doing sales. What I recommend you do is, when you do a sale, to get the most out of it, first of all, have a reason why you're doing a sale. So tell people why you're doing this sale. So for her, the reason is it's the first birthday. It's a great idea. Secondly, also have a time limit on it. So for her, again, this might be a 48-hour birthday sale where everything in her e-commerce store is 20% off. Or it might be a 3-day sale, or 7 days, however long, or even 24 hours. So give it a reason, have a time limit on it, and then promote it across different channels. So for her, she's going to do Facebook and Instagram advertising because her imagery are super stunning, so it lends itself for these channels, and also her audience is on these channels. Also, what you can do is promote it across the different channels, and before the sale, announce that something is coming. So you can pre-launch a sale. You can say, hey, we're super excited, we're turning 1, or whatever the reason of the sale is, or it's Mother's Day coming up, we're going to do something very special. So stay tuned, we will be telling you more about it on the 1st of August, for example. And so pre-launch it a little bit so people can get excited about it. And then once you open the sale, so once you have the sale ready, you then let them know again on your channels. And in her case, also what I suggested that she does is also, as she opens the sale, also do a quick Facebook live and Instagram live to let people know, to say, hey, so excited, I'm the creator behind this beautiful brand, and we're celebrating our first birthday, and to celebrate, we're going to do a 20% off for 48 hours. So these are just a few quick tips that I thought would be also really useful for you, and especially if you are doing some kind of a sale, because with sales you have to be very careful. You don't want to do too much of that so that people get used to you always doing a sale, and as I mentioned, have a good reason why you're doing a sale. Awesome. All right, that's it for right now. I'll come more to you as we go along. We're all working from home right now, so you can see this is my home space. A little bit of behind the scenes. I'll show you more behind the scenes as we go. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.